Well guys, haven't done a video and put it up. I've got other videos, I just haven't bothered to get on there. I'm not a real good at editing videos like some people. I have absolutely no idea how to do that properly. But this is what's going on. This is a freshly built transmission, torque converter, over in the pile of rubble somewhere. There it is. Diff, quick coat of paint. I'm probably going to end up pulling this out again anyway because I want to put a different gear ratio in. I know a lot of you are going to say, you don't put the electric fans in, it'll destroy it. Well, every modern car I own has an electric fan, not a mechanical, so I'm going to see what happens, folks. Engine's coming back from the machine shop this week. And the engine bay is all cleaned and ready for it. I just rust painted it, nothing fancy, scraped all the rust off. Got it cleaned up. And it's reassemble. All rust converter on it, and then rust paint, and lots of scrubbing. Want the torsion bars to put back. Hopefully transmission back in the hole tomorrow. We'll see how that goes. Don't see why not. And do up as much of the stuff as I can, and then wait on the engine. Got lots of other things to put in, pumps and such. Still have to rebuild the steering box. Gonna need a new power steering hose. The metal line is just corroded. The lines on this thing, you know, the frame had a little bit of rust, but I don't know, the lines on this thing were just absolutely rotten. I think I might have said that before, but I'm still kind of, for the lack of rust on everything else. Oh, gotta put my new shocks in. Do that as well. And there she's hanging on the hoist. And it's shop clean time because disassemble and scrape, and I got garbage everywhere. My kid playing with his bike there doesn't help, as he keeps scattering his stuff around with mine. Anyway, back at it tomorrow.